What's going on, guys? 727 Cards here. Got my two hobby boxes today that I've been looking for like a week of Elite Extra Edition Longevity 2016. Got them off Dave and Adams for like 27 bucks a piece or on like super clearance. So let's see what we got. 11 cards per box. It looks like there's 2 autographs, 2 patches, and a USA. And there's the USA baseball. And 1 pack. 2 pack. Oh, 2 packs. So here's what the end of the box looks like. It's pretty sweet. I'm going to be doing both boxes on this take. So, alright, start with the USA. It's a auto or a patch. And if this is a patch, it is the thinnest patch stock I've ever seen. Damn, it's hard to get open. Don't want to damage the card. Man. It's tight. There we go. Right. It is Jake Berger. That's pretty sweet. Not numbered, but sweet. Alright, so it should be 2 autographs and 2 mem cards per box. So, let's see what we got. Alright, we got Cole Enright out of $9.99. Oh, pulled one too many. And then we got Jake Newberry, 13 of 99 refractor. And then we got, oh nice, Tampa, Andrew Velasquez, 24 out of 50. That's sweet. I like that. Tampa too. Alright, alright. And then our patch is, oh, that's a sweet, out of $2.99, Nick Longkey from Boston. Dual patch. 52 out of $2.99. That's cool. And then out of $9.99, TJ Zushik. Zushik? Sweet. Oh, I almost forgot about this. We have another pack. I'm like, oh, those were our hits. Sweet. Then I'm like, oh yeah, another pack. Alright. Alright. We got Jake Rogers at 22 out of $9.99 for Houston. And we got Thomas Jones, 2 out of 49 for die cut. That's sweet. And we got, oh, that's nice, Zach Collins from Chicago. I think he's already playing. Non-numbered, just base auto, but that's pretty sweet though. That's pretty sweet. And then JT Riddle, 3 of 99, tri patch. That's a sweet looking card. That's pretty sweet. And then Chris Rodriguez, 563 out of 9.99. So that was our first box of Elite Extra Edition. And we're going to do the second one as well. Some good hits for 20 bucks. I do say so myself. Trying to break into this guy. Yeah, 5 hits for 20 bucks. Or 26. I'll take that all day. It's a lot of prospects too. Good at making money off. Alright, feels like this one might be a patch. Maybe, possibly. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's cool. A quad patch. 19 of 99. Josiah Dixon, Coleman Brigman, Jaren Kendall, and Seth Beer. That's sweet. Out of 99. 19 out of 99. That's pretty cool. Alright, and 2 packs. Those back there. Right. What do we got? Alright. First one is Peyton Henry, 885 out of 999. Then we got Anthony Grier, 97 out of 999. Ooh, that's a good one. I know that. Trey Manchey. He's the catcher for Baltimore right now. Baltimore Orioles base auto. Sweet. Then we got Mike Gerber. That's a big patch. 289 out of 299 from Detroit. And then we got Hunter Cole. 519 out of 999. And our last pack, let's get something sweet. Move the 999 since I know it's there to the front. We got Andrew Yersey, 51 out of 999. Braxton Garrett, 83 out of 999. And we get, oh, that's cool, Forrest Whitley. That looks like an unparalleled. It's a 61 out of 200. And then we got, I like that, Hector Cortez, 22 out of 100. That's sweet. And then our last card, hey, Tampa. Jake Fraley, 1, numero uno, out of 299. So let's go over the hits from the 2 boxes. That's pretty good 2 boxes, I think, at least. Personally. It's pretty good hits. A lot of patches, a lot of autos. A lot. Alright, we'll go over the patches first. We got Nick Longhi out of 299 from Boston. JT Riddle out of 99, 3 of 99. And that sick quad. Then we got Jake Fraley out of 299. Mike Gerber out of 299. And then our autos were Anderson Velasquez out of 50. Zach Collins, non-numbered. Hector Cortez out of 100. And Trey Mancini. And then a lot of just low numbered out of 999, stuff like that. Oh, one was at 49. I'll go over the number too, why not? Oh, and the Jake Berger autograph. Almost forgot about that one. So we got this Forrest Whitley out of 200. Anthony Grier out of 99. Thomas Jones out of 49. And Jake Newberry out of 99. And then all of our 999. So everything this is numbered. There's no base. Well, there's base autos, but I don't care about those. Are nice. Alright. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will have more hobby. I will. I like it more. For 26 bucks, or whatever it was together, 50 some odd, I got all this. I mean, come on. Can't go wrong. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and help me out for another giveaway. I appreciate it. Have a great night.